Hey guys, and welcome to the AFI How-To Lab. I'm Maddie, and in today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to make a sweet and peachy sugar scrub that's super fluffy. Now, it's got a great whippable formula and consistency, so keep watching and like this video, and we can get started. Let's begin with our water-based ingredients. This includes our SCI powder, a nice gentle surfactant that will provide the fluffy bubbles in the formula. Then our distilled water, followed up with our secondary surfactant, Cocoyl propylbutane, which will add some stability to the bubbles. Finally, glycerin, which is a humectant, will help draw in moisture into the skin. Give all of those a good stir and place them in a double boiler to help the powdered surfactant melt into the rest of the ingredients. While that's melting, we can prep our other oil-based ingredients. First up is shea butter, followed with some sweet almond oil. Then we have our emulsifying ingredients that will make sure our scrub doesn't leave a greasy feeling on the skin. That includes emulsifying wax and stearic acid. Let's pop this into the microwave to melt everything down. Heat in 30-second intervals, making sure to mix in between until everything is fully melted. Alright, all of my ingredients are melted down now, meaning we can combine them together. First, remove the water phase from the heat and then pour your oil phase into the water phase. Grab a whisk and thoroughly mix everything together. Next is all of our additives. But first, we need to let everything cool down a bit. So my target temperature is around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to pop this into the fridge just to bring down the temp. Alright, now I'm back with our cooled down mixture, and let's add in the rest of our ingredients. First up, let's add in our preservative because this formula has water in it and we really need to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. Follow that up with our antioxidant vitamin E oil, and of course, fragrance. I wanted a fragrance that was as sweet as this sugary formula, so I went in with our Georgia Peach by AFI. It's already pre-measured out, so all I have to do is just pour it in with everything else. We also want to give the scrub some colorful shimmer, so grab some mica powder in your color of choice and sprinkle that in right now as well. Fold all of the additives in, and then it's time for sugar. Pour your sugar in and use a spatula to fold it in with the rest of the ingredients. Now all that's left is to package it up. And you can simply spoon it in using an ice cream scooper or pipe it in with a piping bag or pour it in just like I did. For my personal packaging of choice, I just went with these clear jars so we could really enjoy the beautiful mixture we just made. Each 8-ounce jar of scrub costs just about $3 to produce, meaning they can be sold wholesale for $4 to $6 and retail for $8 to $10 depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. Want more bath and beauty projects just like this one? Well, check out our how-to playlist on our channel for more content just like this for ideas to add to your line. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon so you stay in the know for when we post. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. Bye!